How do I ferment lemons? I usually cut very ending, or sometimes I don't even cut it, but I cut in a quart like that from one end and I leave the whole lemon intact, and then I usually use about half teaspoon of salt and put it inside sort of so it gets access to the juice so it can extract, and put it in a jar. I don't have too many lemons left right now to show you how to make in a larger amount, but I can show you, you can ferment just one lemon if you want to. So in this case there is this lemon, one, and a little jar, and you sort of squeeze it a little bit to squeeze the juice, because the lemon actually needs to be submerged in a liquid, and if your lemons are not juicy, then what I would do, I would squeeze juice from another lemon just on top, so the lemon solid is submerged. But I know these lemons are juicy because I already fermented them, and in general Meyer lemons are juicy. This is getting old, but it's still juicy, and I don't even need to squeeze it to submerge it because I know the juice will come out, so I just leave it like that. I can put a little bit more salt, it doesn't really matter. If by the rules of fermentation it should be around 2% of salt to the amount of food you're fermenting. In this case for lemons I don't use any water, so it's just 2% would be weight of the lemon. I didn't weight it, I don't usually weight stuff I cook. So that's it, and I leave it like that in a room temperature for about 2-3 weeks. It takes longer to ferment lemon than cabbage or any other vegetable. So I leave it like that, and then after 2-3 weeks I put them in a fridge. So in the fridge it can stay about 2 years, the lemons. And I use them for so many things, for fish, for salads, for chicken, and I'll make another video on how I use fermented lemons, and then I usually cut them in minced little pieces or puree them for the usage. Or you can use the whole, not the whole, but a piece of the fermented lemon in a stew, like a chicken stew or something like that. And that's about it. Enjoy it!